Welcome to my happy place, M1, or more commonly known as Historic Woodward Avenue. Originally created in 1817, spanning 21.5 miles long, starting in downtown Detroit, stretching to the city of Pontiac. It was named after the first chief judge for the Michigan Territory, Augustus B. Woodward. Woodward played a major role in helping rebuilding the city of Detroit after a widespread fire in 1805. In 1848, the road was converted from logs to planks, attracting young carriage drivers to gather and race up and down Woodward Avenue. By 1958, the road was used for unofficial street racing. The large-sized road eventually became a popular spot for young drivers eager to race. Drive-ins, diners, dealerships, and automobile accessory shops began to slowly pop up along the strip. Created in 1995 by Nelson House and a handful of volunteers, the Woodward Dream Cruise was created in efforts to raise money for a children's soccer field in Ferndale, Michigan. Attracting 1.5 million people every single year, all makes and models, always free to attend. Mark your calendars next year. It's the third Saturday in August every single year, rain or shine.